Hello, my name is Toby Paik, and today is a very special day because, yes, once again I got a new guitar. This is coming all the way from Holland. I just want to say I can reassure you that this will be my last guitar purchase of 2020, and it's the 30th of December 2020, so I'll just have to wait one more day until I can purchase another guitar. That's fine by me. So without further ado, let's start unboxing this bad boy. Well, that's always good news. It means there's something valuable inside. And something fragile. Mono case. I love mono cases. Beautiful. So, these are the strings that I used. These are these supposed to be coasters? In any case, very cool. Bare knuckle pickups. I'm very happy that they included everything, including like the strings that they used to install in the guitar. It even has a bare knuckle plectrum. Very classy. I like that. I'm very excited. I hope you can tell by my face. Well, someone's gonna have to clean that up, and it's not gonna be me. I guess I could use these for, I don't know, I could have like a pet snake or a hamster or something. Or even better, I can just well, this is nice and cozy, to be honest. I feel safe and secure. I feel like I'm getting cuddles. Artificial cuddles. But anyway, that's for another video. Mono soft case. It's got the Aristides. I hope I'm pronouncing the company name correctly. Aristides? 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 Aristides, I'll go with that. I don't think I've ever been this excited by holding a soft case. It looks very sophisticated and very modern and futuristic and utilitarian. I feel like this is like the Birkin bags of guitar cases, really, but oh, beautiful. They've included a nice strap. It's a mono strap. I absolutely love that. And it's a strap lock in gold hardware, because I ordered it in gold hardware. I love that. I can already tell the quality is top-notch. Got some tools here for maintenance and adjustments. Is this like a wallet? They give you like an Aristides wallet, and there's a card in here. It's a certificate of authenticity. This document proves that the instrument with the serial number is an authentic Aristides guitar, crafted and inspected by top-level luthiers at the Aristides factory in Haarlem, the Netherlands. Pascal, CEO, Ferdinand, master builder. That's awesome. That's beautiful. Well, thank you, Pascal, and thank you, Ferdinand. And the details and the little, like, case candy is ridiculous. They give you an Aristides guitar pick. And is this like RFID like protected? I don't really know what this means, but like, aren't these RFID thingies mean like you can't like scan and hack into people's like credit cards and stuff? I'm not too sure, but I'm pretty sure that's what it means. But that's beautiful, that's amazing. I love this company already. Now I can store all my Amex cards and Pokemon cards and just flash this out at a cafe, and they'll be like, oh my goodness, is that an Aristides wallet? Here, have a free coffee on us, you respectable man. That's right, get yourself an Aristides wallet. Thank you. Now finally, it looks beautiful already, guys. That is stunning. That's absolutely incredible. Trying to be as careful as possible. Oh, I ripped it, but or whatever. That's okay. That's a beautiful looking guitar. This is more nerve-wracking than the time when I had to pretend I couldn't speak English in front of these Mormon people. Yep. Okay. Well, there you have it. That's just absolutely beautiful. So here's a close-up of the guitar. It is stunning. Yeah, as you can see, I've got an orange, I believe it's Dutch orange, because I like orange, and gold hardware, bare knuckle pickups, 5-way switch I think, hip shot bridge, and the rest of the spec I will just include them in here somewhere because I forgot everything and I'm too dumb to remember everything. Because I ordered this back in the summer and I forgot that I even ordered it at some point. This is the back. So, and that just looks gorgeous. And oh, by the way, I'm even wearing an orange watch to celebrate this day. Hip shot blocking tuners. Yeah, it looks beautiful and it's just so thin. The awesome thing about this guitar and the reason why I decided to purchase it and try it out, I was always curious about this guitar because none of this is wood. There's no wood involved, unless I'm mistaken. It's all something else, which I don't know. It's too technical and too advanced for me to explain and understand, but I'll leave a link in the description or something below later on that explains what it's actually made of, but none of this is wood. There's no wood involved. They're like called the Tesla of guitars, the Apple of guitars, but I want to call this the Bitcoin of guitars because Bitcoin is the future, apparently. Even the fretboard is made out of like some resin-based material. I, again, don't know what I'm talking about. All I know is that I just love the look of this. It feels like a sports car. It feels like I'm in the future, and I love the future even though I've never been there yet. Stainless steel frets so that I never have to visit a guitar repair shop and interact with a human being because I'm too shy and get these replaced. I'll never have to get them replaced because they're stainless steel. That's always a good thing. Okay, so first impression, it's really light and everything's just so slim, just so, and it's not even in tune yet. And it's so resonant. Like I can feel it against my body. It's not even plugged in or anything, and yet it feels so resonant. I can already tell that this is going to be a loud, crisp sounding guitar. It's just so light and it's amazing. I love it already. I feel like I'm in a sports car. But you know, before I plug this in and do anything with it, first things first, it's time for a guitar sniffy session. Very interesting, very minimum, very subtle, yet there is something, but it doesn't smell like glue, doesn't smell like anything that I've smelled regarding guitars. It reminds me of something, it reminds me of a past, like a nursery home. The fretboard smells like a candle shop where they also sell Bibles. Why does this guitar smell religious? It smells like someone and somewhere. It smells very different. I'm assuming this is because there's no wood involved or any type of glue. It doesn't smell anything like a Gibson or a PRS, anything. Why does it smell like a past that I don't really want to remember? But now it's all coming back. Nonetheless, beautiful guitar. I would give this scent a 6.5 out of 10. Mostly because it reminds me of a past that I don't want to remember. But let's move on. Anyway, I absolutely love this piece of machinery already, and I cannot wait to make a whole bunch of noise with this. And I just want to say thank you very much to Pascal, Brandon, Nimrod, Timo. I hope I am pronouncing all these names correctly. If not, I apologize. Thank you very much for hooking me up with this beautiful instrument. And thank you very much to Jackal for hooking me up and introducing me to everyone at Aristides and this instrument. Anyway, here's Wonderwall.